How to get $100 Costco coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in Costco coupon code and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, coupon follow. This is the legit website where you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Costco. Just scroll down and check out the offers. $30 off, $50 off, 70% off, and many more. Then head towards the offer that you want to grab. Just click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Make sure you check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, copy it. Then click on redeem at Costco. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you are in the website, you can log into your account, make your purchase and pass it to checkout. While in the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm your purchase. With that, you're going to get the discount. Also, you can try out other offers, as in this website, you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Costco. Lastly, what you can do is head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also try this one website, Groupon, as this is also the legit website where you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Costco. Well, this way you can easily get up to $100 working coupon code for Costco. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.